Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can create a website for absolutely free. This video is for beginners. I will make a WordPress website in this video and a basic website. We will design it on next videos. Okay, so let's first understand what are websites and what file are needed for what are the needed things to start a website right away. So here is a website. Website is based on mainly two things. One is domain and one is hosting. So domain is the name that is used for your website, and hosting is the place where you can store your website files. Like for reference, we can use my website, which is savedigital.site. Okay, when I put savedigital.site in my address bar, this will start loading my website. Now this is my website here. If you see, there is a name which is savedigital.site is my domain. Okay, this is called a domain. And hosting is actually, you can see that this is hosted on WordPress. So if you are, but where my website files are getting from, where the browser gets my website files from. So this is getting from a hosting provider, which I said here already. Hosting is the file manager where website files are being stored. Okay, so you can see here I have mentioned that you have to buy hosting to store your website file to run your website. In my case, I am using Razor host. Let me show you. I apologizing at first that this is gonna be a long video, so just sit tight and don't skip anything. That if you miss anything, you may get into some problems. So just one step by step. Let me log in here first. You can see there is a service running, which is a plan. You can see that I have, if I go to my file manager, you can see that these website files are loading in Razorhost file manager. Okay, you can see that. So you will get a file manager where you can paste your files. So you can make a website by two ways, which is one is by using a CMS. CMS is a kind of software which you directly install on your hosting, and you can do it from scratch, from in where you have to write code in HTML and doing the whole design by your own. So let me close the whiteboard here. So today I have said you earlier that we gonna make a website for completely free. Let's see how much a domain cost. Domain will cost according to your name. Let's go to GoDaddy to find. So if you go to GoDaddy, you can search domain name from here. You have to just type the name, like my name is CyberPit. The CyberPit. You can search domain and check if you have this. So you cannot make a website on the cyberpit.com. So you can take the cyberpit.in, which is paid, which is rupees 699 per year. And in case of hosting, if you go to Hostinger, which is a great hosting provider, you can also use Razorhost. Razorhost is a little bit cheaper, so you have to pay at least rupees 149 for get your hosting. So I have mentioned you earlier that we are gonna make this website completely free. So we will use a website named Infinity Free. Infinity Free is a paid you can also use the Infinitive paid version for creating website, but we're gonna use the free version here. For that, first you have to register with your credentials. Let me make an account here. You have to put your original Gmail because you have to verify your Gmail. You can give password here, do the same password in here and click the terms and service and click on sign up. Okay, here now you have to, let's save it here. You have to verify it. A verification link has been sent to this, so let's go to Gmail and verify this Infinitive free link. In your mailbox, you will see a mail from Infinitive. You have to click on verify email. Now you can see, you can close this window. Now you can see you already have an account in Infinitive free. So now you have to click create account now. So here you can see there are 4 type of plans here, which is one is completely free. In the free plan you will get 5 GB of hard disk space, unlimited bandwidth and unlimited host and domain. And you have to pay $2.5 to get 250 GB bandwidth, 1 hosted domain, and these are the extra features which you will not get into the free plan. So let's go with the free plan. So if you already have a domain if you already have a domain, go for custom domain, and if you don't have any domain, you can go for subdomain. This will be completely free, but in the end of your address you will have to put like 000.p42web.io, kind of this. So let's choose loves2blog.com. This will look some professional, and my name here cyberfeet. Now you have to check here because you cannot make same name website twice. So your URL will be cyberfeet.loves2blog.com. Now here is the main thing, which is account username. This will need it to log into your hosting panel, and here is your account password. For email consent, you have to choose I approve, and here is your password. You have to save it somewhere else. Okay, let's save it in tools. Let's save it here in a new note. Paste it here and save it. Now you have to click verify and have to click on click account. I am apologizing first for making this video this longer, but this is what it is. You have to click finish. Now this will setting up your account, and this will take 1 to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. So just keep patience and let's wait for the account. So account is already created, so you have to check that it can take up to for 72 hours for a new domain to hosting account to start every working else. So here is our domain. Let's check it. It is up or not. Let's paste and go. This will take some time as it is a new domain. So now here you can see your website is ready. Okay. So now you have to go to control. You can see your control panel here. You have a full functional control panel. You have PHP MyAdmin, FTP accounts, online file manager, and which is the most important thing here we gonna use, which is Softaculas app installer. You can go to Softaculas from here. You can also go to Softaculas from here. That's your choice. You can see some info statistics in the right side corner of your screen. It is the plan name, FTP account, subdomains, disk space use, etc. So let's go to Softaculas app installer and we can install WordPress from here. So let's wait for time to load this and click on WordPress, and in the beside install you will see a drop down menu which you have to click install, and you have to choose here carefully. Just listen to me very carefully, don't skip this now. So you have to choose HTTP if you don't have any SSL certificate on your website. As we did not set up our SSL certificate for our blog site, we will choose HTTP. If you have SSL certificate, you have to choose HTTPS. Okay, and you can choose WordPress version from here. Let's go for the latest one. Let's put site name, which we will be using the Cyber Feed blog. Okay, you have to choose English here, and now select a theme. We will use this OMO theme. Okay, select theme, and the most important thing, which is admin username and password. This credential will be used to access your WordPress dashboard. Let's create a user named admin, and for password we will use cyberfeed204, and you have to put a valid email address here. This will be used for admin email address. Now everything is set. Now click to install to start installing WordPress. This will take some time depending on your internet speed, and this will start installing WordPress into your system. Now this is preparing the database, and you can see the installation has been completed. So you can see here that WordPress has been installed successfully at our website. And for accessing WordPress admin, you have to click on this link, which is your domain name, and after your domain name, that is /wp-admin. Okay, let's wait some time to load our. You can see our website is up and running. Let's put /wp-admin for the admin panel. Now you can see there is the admin panel of your WordPress. You can install new themes here, and you can create posts, media, pages, everything you will be controlling of your website from here. In the next video, we will see how you can design your website. As if we go to cyberfeedlabs2blog.com, you will see this is a one-page website which is very basic. So in the next video, you will see how you can design your website, and we will make a awesome website. And this guide is for complete beginners, so just stay with me. Just hit the subscribe button to stay updated on this playlist.